When we examine the role of AI in personalized learning, we are entering a transformative space where education adapts to the needs, pace, and abilities of each individual student. Traditional education has always faced a tension between standardization and personalization. Classrooms are typically structured around fixed curricula, predetermined schedules, and uniform assessments. While this approach allows teachers to manage groups efficiently, it often fails to address the diverse learning styles, prior knowledge, and interests of individual students. AI changes this dynamic by introducing intelligent systems that can continuously observe, analyze, and respond to a student's behavior, performance, and engagement, creating a truly adaptive learning environment. One of the core technologies driving personalized learning is adaptive learning platforms. These systems are designed to track student performance in real time, adjusting the difficulty, pace, and type of content presented. Imagine a math learning platform that monitors each student as they solve problems. If a student struggles with fractions, the system automatically generates additional practice problems, interactive exercises, or explanatory videos tailored to that specific challenge. Conversely, if a student demonstrates mastery in geometry, the platform accelerates the introduction of more advanced concepts, keeping the learner engaged and challenged. The impact of adaptive learning is profound because it creates a personalized learning path for each student, reducing frustration caused by content that is too difficult or too easy, and maximizing engagement by ensuring that students are continuously working within their optimal learning zone. Beyond adaptive content delivery, cutting-edge AI has enabled the emergence of multimodal AI tutors. These tutors are not limited to text-based interactions or simple question-answer formats. They integrate multiple modalities including voice, handwriting recognition, gestures, and visual feedback to create natural, interactive learning experiences. For instance, a student may write a math equation on a tablet, speak a question aloud, and receive both a visual breakdown of the solution and a spoken explanation from the AI tutor. This multimodal approach mirrors real-life human interactions, allowing learners to communicate in the way that feels most intuitive to them. By engaging multiple senses and modes of interaction, AI tutors enhance comprehension and retention, making learning more interactive, accessible, and responsive to the needs of diverse learners. Predictive analytics is another critical dimension of AI in personalized education. By analyzing patterns in student performance, engagement, and behavior, AI can predict which students are at risk of falling behind or disengaging from the learning process. For example, a student who consistently struggles with homework completion, participates less in interactive exercises, and shows slower progress on assessments may be flagged by the system. AI can then recommend targeted interventions, such as customized study plans, one-on-one tutoring sessions, or additional resources designed to address specific gaps. The proactive nature of predictive analytics helps prevent dropouts, ensures timely support, and ultimately improves learning outcomes across the student population. This is especially valuable in large classrooms where individual monitoring by teachers is challenging. Gamification and engagement are also enhanced through AI-driven personalization. Many educational applications incorporate game-like elements, and AI can dynamically adjust these experiences based on the learner's progress and preferences. Language learning apps, for example, can modify challenges, reward schedules, and difficulty levels in real time, maintaining motivation while ensuring steady progress. By tailoring games and challenges to each student's unique style, AI makes learning feel less like a repetitive task and more like an engaging, enjoyable experience. Students are encouraged to experiment, take risks, and learn from mistakes without fear of judgment, which is critical for deeper understanding and long-term retention. Accessibility and inclusion are additional areas where AI demonstrates transformative potential. AI tools can provide real-time translation, speech-to-text transcription, adaptive interfaces, and assistive technologies that accommodate learners with disabilities. For instance, AI tutors can convert spoken lessons into sign language animations, generate audio descriptions for visual content, or adapt interface layouts for learners with motor or cognitive challenges. These capabilities make education more inclusive, allowing students who may have been marginalized or underserved in traditional classrooms to access high-quality, personalized learning experiences. By ensuring that educational resources are available to all learners regardless of ability, AI contributes to equity and democratization in education. The most advanced AI tutoring systems are emerging as interactive companions for learners, rather than simply content delivery tools. These systems continuously observe student interactions, analyze performance, and adapt dynamically to provide guidance, encouragement, and tailored instruction. They can respond to questions in multiple formats, recognize when a student is confused or disengaged, and adjust lessons accordingly. Over time, these AI companions learn the preferences, strengths, and weaknesses of each learner, evolving into a highly personalized educational partner. This approach fundamentally shifts the paradigm of education from a one-size-fits-all model to a truly individualized journey, where the pace, content, and style of learning are optimized for every student. In conclusion, AI in personalized learning represents a profound evolution in education. Adaptive learning platforms, multimodal AI tutors, predictive analytics, gamified learning, and inclusive technologies collectively enable an environment where every student can thrive according to their own abilities and interests. By continuously monitoring, analyzing, and responding to learners in real time, AI not only enhances engagement and retention but also ensures that education is equitable, effective, and tailored to the needs of the individual. As these technologies continue to evolve, the classroom of the future will increasingly feature intelligent systems that work alongside teachers, amplifying their impact and transforming learning into a dynamic, personalized, and lifelong experience.
If you find this video exciting, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next AI for Beginners educational video.